Hello my people, it is Digestive here. So in this tutorial we shall be looking at how to make a single key stop scratches in virtual DJ like this.
Brody girl with the sing song, yeah. Brody girl with the sing song, yeah.
So there are two types of stop scratches that you can possibly make in virtual DJ. Number one is where you can use two keys on the keyboard to make the stop scratches like this.
Brody girl with the sing song, yeah.
And then the second one is where you can use one key on the keyboard to make the stop scratches, like the one I've shown in the beginning of this tutorial, like this.
Brody girl.
So to make the one key stop scratches, first we need to set the mapping by going to the settings section and then heading over to the controllers and then going to the advanced editor. So here you will choose one key on the keyboard which is suitable for you for making the stop scratch on virtual DJ here. So for me, I'll choose this key here, and then in the action box I will type this command or this mapping here. I'll type in scratch space plus 60 ms. This is the mapping for the forward scratch that you hear in the stop scratches, okay? It is the only scratch mapping that you need to put in this mapping here. So the next thing that we need to add is to put space and then and space up question mark and then space you put in go to underscore Q. Okay, so let me explain to you how this mapping works. Okay, first, when you press the key, the song will be scratched forward by 60 milliseconds, and then it will go to the cue point after releasing the key you've pressed, which is implicated by this up question mark here. So it will scratch the track forward, and then after you releasing the key, it will go back to the cue point where you've started the song from, or you've set for the song to start from. Okay, after setting it, go to the save button here, click on it and then close it now. So this is how the key will work on your track. Press the key once and then you hear a forward scratch. So when you release it, it will go back to the cue point. So the next thing that you will do is to press the play button you've set on your keyboard. So if you don't know how to set the play button, still go back to settings and then in the key box here choose the key, and then this is the mapping. You put play underscore pause. So that will play or pause the track or the song that you're playing. So that is the key that will help you to play the track after scratching it using the one key stop scratch. Okay, so this is how it works. Another thing, you can combine this one key scratch with your keyboard scratching key to make a good scratch like this. Okay, it will make a perfect and good scratch that will sound good to the audience that you're playing the music for. So if you want to learn how to make the two keys stop scratches, I have linked its tutorial in the description below. Simply click it and then you'll be directed to the tutorial where you learn how to make double key stop scratches on virtual DJ here. See you in the next one.